Eliminates cough and phlegm from the lungs in one night, effective in children and adults. The cough is a noisy and annoying expulsion of air contained in the lungs produced to remove foreign substances from the outside, but it can also produce irritation in the airways. Although there are many drugs to treat it, there is nothing better than natural remedies. Luckily, today we bring you a very effective and inexpensive home remedy to remove the cough. So look how you can prepare it from the comfort of your home. You will be surprised by the results. This remedy consists of a compress of honey that will be the cure for that strong and terrible cough. With this home trick you can eliminate the phlegm that you have in the lungs and all in one night. It is also a remedy that you can use in children. In addition, it is considered as a natural cure to treat diseases of the respiratory tract, where honey, having a high biological activity and thick consistency, helps to release mucus, thus eliminating coughing attacks. Compressed with honey. Ingredients: 1. Honey. 2. Flour. 3. Vegetable oil. 4. Chiffon. 5. Napkin. 6. Medical adhesive tape. Preparation: 1. Mix the flour with a little honey. 2. Then add a little vegetable oil and continue mixing. 3. Place the mixture on a napkin and wrap it in a gauze. 4. Then, attach the compress to the chest or back, with medical tape. 5. Important, you should not place the napkin in the heart area. 6. Let the napkin run all night. 7. To achieve a greater effect, you can add a little mustard powder. It may transpire a bit, but it is normal. This honey pack also acts as an anti-inflammatory. You will only feel a slight warming effect. You will see that the results are almost immediate. However, you can repeat the treatment for several days, until you feel complete relief. Now you know how this home remedy can remove or relieve cough. It is very effective and works